We all know that breastfeeding is an amazing experience to all the new mothers. It creates a beautiful bond between the mother and the baby. That eye contact, that skin to skin touch, the way you hold your baby while feeding is all one pack of wonderful experience to all the new mothers. But there comes a time when you see a sudden decrease in the breast milk supply, or you're not able to meet your baby's demand, and you start worrying. Many questions come to your mind. Now, how will I feed my baby? How will I overcome it? Are there any remedies or tips that I should follow? Yes, there are some changes, or I can say some practices that you need to include in your routine to see the difference in your breast milk supply. So, today I'll be sharing some effective tips and some home remedies that will help you to boost your milk supply naturally. Hi, I'm Nikita. Welcome to my channel, The Parenting Guide. Watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Let's get started. So first we'll see some effective tips that you need to include in your daily routine that will help you to increase your breast milk. First tip, breastfeed more often. Breast functions on demand. The more you nurse your baby, greater is the amount of milk production. Therefore, frequent nursing is one of the effective tips to boost your breast milk. Although it is a challenging task for the new mothers to devote her whole day for nursing, but however you should remember that frequent nursing is good for you as well as your baby. See that you feed your baby every 2 hours, and this practice will gradually increase your breast milk. The next tip is avoid using birth control pills. It's better to avoid taking birth control pills while nursing because the hormones present in the pills can negatively affect the milk supply. Therefore, limiting the hormonal changes due to birth pills is one of the essential tips to boost your milk supply. Next tip, emotional factors. New mothers go through a lot of emotional factors like stress, anxiety, and even embarrassment, and these emotional factors cause you to produce less milk. Therefore, see that you create a private and relaxing environment for breastfeeding and make the experience more enjoyable and free of stress, and this will help you to increase your breast milk production. The last tip is stay hydrated. Babies get their complete nutrition from the breast milk. It contains all the essential nutrients that a baby needs for its growth and development. It contains about 90% of water. So when you're breastfeeding, your body goes under a significant loss of fluids. So your need for water increases. On an average, a baby breastfeeds for about 8 to 12 times a day. So this way you need to consume a minimum of 8 to 12 glasses of water. But at the same time, you need to understand the concept between the hydration and overhydration. Excess fluids in the body can vary the water balance of the body, which may adversely affect the levels of milk production. Water balance simply means the amount of water lost should be equal to the amount of water gained. Therefore, it is important to monitor the intake of fluids to maintain the right balance. So these were some effective tips. Now we'll see some home remedies which will help you to boost your milk supply naturally. The first one is Sajjaka Sweet. It is a popular North Karnataka sweet made up of semolina, that is rava, and jaggery. It is a great home remedy to boost your milk supply. I myself have tried this, and this was the home remedy which helped me to boost my milk supply. Have it at least 2 times a day. I have shared this recipe. The link is in the description box, or you can click on the above I button. Please do and check it. You will definitely see the increase in your breast milk. The next one is Shatavari. Shatavari is an Ayurvedic powder that supports healthy lactation since hundreds of years. It helps to boost prolactin hormone, the hormone which is responsible to stimulate lactation levels in the mother's body. Shatavari is well known as Galactagogue, which means it helps to boost milk production naturally. It helps to rebuild the strength and immunity and also reduces the stress. It can be consumed by mixing it in a warm milk. I personally have used this for 3 to 4 months and it gave me a very good result. You can always take your doctor's advice before using it. The next one is Fenugreek seeds, that is Methi. Methi seeds have been used since generations around the world to increase the breast milk supply. Fenugreek seeds are a great source of healthy vitamins like omega-3 fats for the lactating mothers. Omega-3 fats are important for the baby's brain development. So you can soak 1 tablespoon of methi seeds in a cup of water overnight, and the next morning boil the water with seeds in it for around 5 to 7 minutes and then drink it. It's not tasty, but it will give you miraculous results. The next point is cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are great for lactating mothers. They are also known to help with digestion, relieve constipation and bloating. They are packed with lots of vitamins and calcium. You may use them in salads or soak them in water overnight and drink the water next morning to get the benefits. The next point is oat meal. One of the other effective tips to increase your breast milk is to include oats in your diet. Oats are magical milk making food. They are a great source of iron. It is known that maternal anemia, that is low iron level, can also affect the levels of milk supply. So it makes sense to include something which is rich in iron can increase the milk supply. So these were some home remedies. Lastly, I would like to tell that maintaining a healthy diet is also very much important for the breastfeeding mothers. So see that you include milk in your daily diet. It is naturally filled with folic acid, calcium and healthy fats. Ensure that you drink at least 2 glasses of milk to see an increase in the breast milk production. Include green leafy vegetables like methi, palak as they are excellent source of minerals and they are also believed to enhance the lactation. And the breastfeeding mothers are recommended to have at least 1 or 2 portions of green leafy vegetables daily. Also include pulses, dry fruits and have variety of seasonal fruits, especially the unripe papaya and watermelon are great for breastfeeding mothers. And even after considering the tips and trying out the home remedies, if you do not see any kind of increase in your breast milk, then it's better that you consult your doctor. So this was it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let me know your views and your experiences related to breastfeeding in the comment section. Stay safe. Bye-bye.